Are you ready to spice up your dinner routine with a flavor-packed, healthy chicken paprika? Well, stay tuned until the end for all the special tips and tricks on how to achieve that perfect smoky flavor in this dish. Let's dive right into it. Okay, let's get going here. I'm gonna introduce all the ingredients that we need for this dish as I'm preparing it. So we're gonna start about with half of onion diced, half a medium onion. And we're gonna cook these for about 3-4 minutes until they soft and translate. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 3 cloves of garlic chopped. And then we're gonna cook it for another minute or so. Let them dance together. So you can use any kind of chicken, like chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breast. I'm actually using chicken tenders because they're smaller, they cook a lot faster, and then not to mention they were on sale at the store. So instead of getting a chicken breast and cut them small, I just got the tenderloins already cut. So not only save some money, but you can save some time too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add those. I have the burn it on the medium high. Once I add this, I'm gonna add some more oil. Yeah, we want to keep replenish the oil when you think you need some more. So I'm gonna turn it back up high again on high because this is electric. Like I said, once you put ingredients in, especially when they're cold, the temperature goes down and it becomes challenging. It won't be like this on the gas. You can just turn it up and the heat is right there. So this is about 1 pound of chicken. Some pieces could be smaller, but it's okay. We're gonna keep this cooking until chickens are almost halfway done. I'm going to add the seasonings. Now we need 1 tablespoon of paprika, the main ingredient, main seasoning. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper. I'm going to mix well. I'm going to go back to half low medium heat. All right, let's here. Okay, so we're gonna cook this a couple minutes, and then until it gets kind of a little dry, and then I'm gonna add some chicken broth and some diced tomato in tomato sauce. I'm gonna turn it up again. It's dying on me again. So we let it go for a couple minutes. So the chickens are about 60% cooked. we don't want to cook it all the way because we still got another 5-10 minutes to go in this dish. Uh, we need to do some simmering, so then chicken would be done by then. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good here. I can see that it's getting a little reduced, and so now it's time to add half a cup of chicken broth. There. And then we're going to add half a can of diced tomato in juice. This is like a half a can. Can is about 14.5 ounces, something like that, 15 ounces. All right, looks delicious. I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And then mix them, try to mix them well with everything. There, looks delicious. All right, now I'm gonna put it in medium heat, medium high, and then put a lid on it and let it simmer. Put about 3, 4, 5 minutes. Okay, I think we're ready for the next step. Now, and that would be adding half a cup of sour cream. You know, sometimes some people use cream, but I use sour cream. This is like a low fat, so it's a bit healthier than cream. So I'm gonna add that to the dish and mix it well. There we go, the best we can do here. All right. All right. Now I prefer sour cream over cream for obvious reasons. Okay, so now we're done here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the lid back on and let it simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done, you know it's done. So approximately about 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, looks great. And then once it's done, we can then transfer them to a bowl and garnish them with chopped fresh parsley. That's totally optional. And then enjoy it with some pasta or rice, or just by itself. All right, looks great. I'm gonna put the lid back on and let it simmer. Or keep it on the medium high and keep an eye on it. Okay, voila, we are ready to enjoy our chicken paprika dish. As you can see, I dished it up in a bowl, and this is the consistency that I like. I like it a little runny like that. If you don't, you can simmer it a little longer, and then it's gonna get a little thicker. But you gotta enjoy this sauce. I mean, the sauce is amazing. I love it all over the rice, pasta. So this is the way it should be to me. But anyway, so I'm just gonna garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley. There you go, and it's ready. There you are. Well, it's all gone. My family ate it all. So I still have a little piece of chicken here. I'm gonna finish the sauce. Oh, well, there you have it, folks. You can do this with, like I said, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's gonna take a little bit longer to cook, but it's doable. And chicken thighs are more tender, taste a little better. So it's perfectly fine. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious chicken paprika. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering, easy and healthy recipes and cooking tips and tricks. I would love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.